Hello and welcome once again. So after us downloading our app Inventor and extracting the files, we are able to see a shortcut of our setup right here on the desktop. So we are going to go on and click on it, and we are going to say enter. We are going to open it so that we can run our MIT app Inventor offline, and we can use it. So we are going to start all servers. So like three programs running in the background, as you can see them here. These are servers for our app Inventor. The ones connecting through for it to start running very well. Then we are going to say start invent so that it opens up our workspace where we are going to work from. So this takes some time as as it requires some patience from us, as you can see. So we shall need to wait for some 30 seconds for the first server to load, and we shall do the same for the second server before we can start. So after it loading, we have our welcome to MIT App Inventor here interface, as you can see. So if at all you already have an email and the password, then you can log in. But if not, there is no problem. We shall go over here and click here to use a Google account. So this is a test a test Google account, and you can go here and check in as an administrator, and you go in and it will automatically load for you an interface. This is our working interface, and this is basically how the whole working interface looks like. And here we can start up our new project, and we can start building our interesting applications, as you will see in the follow-up videos. So this is how basically we start the offline MIT app Inventor. Thank you.